I'm gonna show you how to make a Christmas dessert my way. This cheesecake with the chai tea flavor, it's so good for Christmas. Warm or cold, and with whipped cream, oh my. It's so easy to make and I'm sure you're gonna love it. In a food processor, we're gonna add 4 cups of animal crackers. You can use any other. I like this one because the flavor is not too strong. You don't want the crust to be the star of the dessert. So I like plain cookies, plain crackers. 4 cups. And then if you still see big pieces, keep going. Okay. Now just scrape the sides and then you add 1 cup of melted butter. I put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. And mix it again until it forms a dough. If it's necessary, just scrape the sides and bring it down. It's ready. I have 1 pan. This is a non-stick pan. And also the sides are removable. It makes easy the cheesecake to come out of the pan. And then we need to put our parchment paper on the bottom. To make that, we're gonna remove the bottom, and then with a piece of parchment paper, we fold it in 4 parts, and then 8 like a triangle. Try to go with this point to the center, and then just mark with your nail if it's long, or with pencil or something. Now we cut. Okay, and we have our circle perfect for the bottom of the pan. There you go. Now we put it back. Just add all of the crackers with butter, but press it really hard. I don't like the crust really thick for the cheesecake because it takes away the flavor of the cheesecake. I like my crust thin, and this recipe is for a 10-inch pan. Food processor now, we're gonna add evaporated milk, 1 can. And 1 can of condensed milk. I have 2 cream cheese. They are already room temperature and soft. I put it out of the fridge 20 minutes ago. And we're gonna add 4 eggs. One teaspoon of cardamom. This is anise powder. If you cannot find the powder, buy the seeds and grind it. Ginger powder, 1 teaspoon too. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we mix everything. Make sure there is no lumps of cream cheese. You can also do this in the blender. The mixture. And bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Middle grill, center of the oven. When it's done, let it cool down. Decorate with whipped cream, fresh mint, and fresh cranberries. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of the new videos.